Alright, so today we're working on fixing the back latch on the Toyota Sequoia. This is a 2004. Already ordered it from eBay. So this is it out, but what you're going to need to do is get a tool like this. And after you yank that piece out in here, you need to stick this up in here so you can get a hold of this, pull it down to pop the latch open like that. So you need something that's bent like this. This is what we got going on. Took the rear paneling off. Right now we're working on taking this part off. So what size is that we ended up finding for it?
10.
10.
Metric.
Alright, I'm gonna take all this off. We left all of these wires connected. We just took this cover plate off. Then if you look up in here, we got the motor for the rear window, which is a different project for another day. But we took these rubber seals off. I don't know if you can see up in there. My finger up through here is the bolt, which is going to come off of this, which this is the piece right here. Okay, so if you can see up in there, see that bolt, the light, that's what we're going for. We got one over there and one on the other side.
That's gonna make life easier.
A lot longer.
Yeah. Metric
Nice.
10.
So they're all the same here. Almost there. Nice. We'll use those same ones. Okay, so we gotta take the outside license plate off as well. So we got right here. Gotta push that one out. Right here. Down here at the bottom. You gotta take this nut out for the key, and then the two clear ones for the license plate as well, and that nut for the rear lock for the key is the exact same number 10.
And then you pivot it like this, and you can gain access to your unit.
Right there. Okay, so this is the piece that we're going to replace it with. What we're taking out now is the screws that are going to go in right here and right here. Out right here.
And the unit drops out.
Yeah, like that flapper. Like that.
Yeah.
So that is what we're gonna need to do.
Well, we need to mount this first.
And just do it when it's through there.
That's gonna be a pain in the ass.
Alright, so we just replaced exact same spot, exact same way, exact same screws actually.
Alright, so the needle nose.
Pull a little slack. Yep.
Did you get it behind that?
Uh-huh. I just pulled slack on the line.
Oh, okay.
So now,
okay, well,
got that on. Now I got to make sure this gets back
in right.
in right. So pull that.
Yeah. Might have to do that first. And that's slipping over there on that side. And then we're gonna want to
push these back in.
They all snap. Look.
Yeah.
Sweet.
And then those have got to get screwed in through the.
Yeah. Backside.
Put this guy back on.
Whatever you do, it's easier to have the correct tools.
So we're gonna slide it in over this one and on that one.
Oh, what the heck was that? Yeah, I'm in.
There.
And then this little plastic piece just snaps back up in there, and then
Like a glove. And all my little kid was in the back seat. Huh, buddy? Yeah.